Views were expressed on the 19th amendments to the Constitution at various media briefings and meetings held today.
I think Ranil Wickremesinghe was only trying to achieve his own objectives through this. I don't think even he has any idea about the effects this constitution would have on the country. This is why we say that the shortcomings of this constitution needs to be addressed and presented to the people in a positive way.
These amendments were presented in such a way that the media is controlled in a dictatorial manner. Some of these proposals were removed due to the pressure exerted by the opposition. President Maithripala Sirisena has created an opinion that it was Ranil Wickremesinghe who removed this clause included by those who wanted to suppress the media. They came with a knife to stab, but since the knife was taken away and thrown, they had to accept the situation.
The Bribery Commission was given more powers through the 19th Amendment to the Constitution. However, within the legal system, we don't believe that the law will be tightly enforced against the stealing of public property. The death penalty can be imposed on those who are guilty of drug trafficking. We believe that there needs to be a stronger legal system. Therefore, we as a political force will do our utmost. I strongly believe that we have reached a juncture where we obtain a new mixed electoral system.
Many who contested for the presidency said they would change JR's constitution of 1978 within 24 hours of being elected. They said they would abolish the executive presidency, but all those who said so continue to stay on in office for 2 terms. The last president, Mahinda Rajapaksa, did not stop at 2. He wanted to continue as president until death and to be president in the afterlife too. Therefore, he brought in the 18th Amendment to the Constitution. However, during the election, President Maithripala Sirisena clearly said that he would work towards reducing the powers of the executive presidency. He did this arduous task. We were able to pass the 19th Amendment to the Constitution with only 1 vote against it.
It was the executive president himself who worked most to abolish the executive presidency. There is one more victory to achieve. That is a change of electoral system through the 20th Amendment to the Constitution. Sometime we may not be able to implement this at the next election. That is all right. Let it be approved.